the banking system, because of usury, sometimes it's described as parasitic, like a vampire, sucking the blood out of the system. And we all become slaves, economic slaves, labour slaves, tax slaves, and we can't get outside the system because everything has a monetary value: food, resources, clothes, transport. You need the money to even attempt to get outside the system of money. Yeah. So, and if you do go outside the system, wherever you go, the land is owned by somebody. The apple on that tree, it belongs to somebody. Everything's been stolen. So we're all trapped inside the money system. Finance is a prison without bars. Like when Britain, it gave independence, supposedly, to African countries in the 50s and 60s. Well, the armies left Africa. Tanks out, banks in. So the local people in Africa, they couldn't see a visible soldier anymore walking around, but instead they had a more insidious system, the invisible financial system that was all around them. But you couldn't see a soldier or a gun or a tank. Instead, they had invisible financial structures which shaped, controlled, dominated the whole society. So society itself is a financial system, and the people are labour units, financial units, in small circles, squares, inside a big circle. So the banking system is parasitic. Well, no, actually, that's wrong. Even fractional reserve banking is not parasitic. The problem is not usury. The problem is interest rates. If the interest rate is near zero, actually, usury is okay. Fractional reserve banking, Jewish fractional reserve banking system, is good, not bad. Well, if it's near zero interest rates for everyone, not like now where it's only for the cartels, big business, other financial houses lending from and borrowing from and lending to other banks, and you buy my debt and I buy your debts. It all goes round in a big circle, making GDP go up. So if near zero usury is available to the little guy to buy a home, to make a family, and to small businesses to rejuvenate economies bottom up, and actually for the government to build the infrastructure, the large scale infrastructure that inside which the rest of society is living, then usury, even fractional reserve banking, the Jewish system, it becomes good, not evil. So interest rates aren't the problem. We don't need to end the Fed We don't need to abolish fractional reserve banking, a revolution in finances. We don't need that if the interest rates are near zero. Then there's no problem. So we're all slaves inside an interest rate based Jewish fractional reserve banking system that's gone all over the Western world, and every central bank, all 55 of them, and penetrated most of Asia, nearly global, isn't it? Nearly. So almost no country now can survive outside that system, that vampire squid system. So it's a devilish system. Devilish, hellish, devilish and hellish. Because the devil is the ruler of this planet. We know that because he tempted Jesus. He offered him all the kingdoms of earth. Well, the devil must have all those kingdoms of earth to give them away. And also, a symbol of the devil is the dinosaur. Oh, the dragon. You know, the dragon is the evil force. He's got a tail like a devil. He's red like the devil. He's got horns like the devil. Breathes fire like the devil. Maybe he has wings like the devil. He's got claws like the devil. The dragons are symbols of the devil, the evil force that the good knight on his shining white horse must slay. That's the human being. So the age of the dinosaurs, because dinosaur is dragon, dragon is dinosaur, was when the devil ruled supreme on earth. And that was pre-human. The dinosaur age was pre-human. Then the humans come along. And since then, there's this war between the devil and the knight, the human being, on his unruly horse, the mind. The human being is the spirit riding. He has to tame an unruly horse. That's the mind. And then he can slay the evil dragon, the sleeping force in the sleeping kundalini force in the cave. That depicts the world situation where we have war between the devil, the dinosaur boss, the tempter of Jesus, and human beings, and they are fighting for supremacy, domination of the planet, the hell planet, because really it is the devil's planet. This is his prison planet, planet of slaves, the prison planet, the financial planet. Of all the worlds in the solar system, we are the money planet. The banking planet. Hell. However, the Jewish, who go to their synagogue race, who invented fractional reserve banking and usury, although it's their system, actually it's not evil unless you introduce, combine it with interest rates. But if we merely reduced interest rates to near zero for everyone, small businesses and governments and the little man in the street, then actually banking can be a force for good instead of evil and slavery.